If 2.3 power x is equal to 0.23 power y equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Now let me consider this 2.3 whole power x equal to 1000. Now if I apply a logarithm on both the sides, I would have log of 2.3 whole power x is equal to log 1000. Here you have a power, so for that I will use this formula, n into log a to base p is equal to log a to the power of n to base p. So if I apply this formula, I would have x into log 2.3 equal to log 1000. Since in the final value we have to find 1 by x minus 1 by y, I would cross multiply to get 1 by x is equal to log 2.3 divided by log 1000. Now I'll take the second part of the equation which they have given, that is 0.23 whole to the power of y equal to 1000. So this could be written as 2.3 divided by 10 whole to the power of y is equal to 1000, and 2.3 whole to the power of y divided by 10 power y is equal to 1000. Now if I apply logarithm on both the sides, I would have log 2.3 divided by 10 whole to the power of y is equal to log 1000. So if I apply the previous formula which I have written, I would have y into log 2.3 divided by 10 is equal to log 1000. 1 by y equal to log 2.3 divided by 10 divided by log 1000. Now let me solve for 1 by x minus 1 by y. Let this be equation 1, let this be equation 2. From 1 and 2, so 1 by x is equal to log 2.3 divided by log 1000 minus 1 by y equal to log 2.3 divided by 10 whole divided by log 1000. I have a common denominator, so let me combine these terms. Log 1000, in the numerator we will have log 2.3 minus log 2.3 divided by 10. Now we have the formula log a minus log b equal to log a divided by b. Let me use this formula for this log 2.3 divided by 10, and I would have log 2.3 minus log 2.3 minus log 10 by log 1000 is equal to log 2.3 minus log 2.3 plus log 10 whole divided by log 1000. Log 2.3 it will get cancelled, so I would have log 10 divided by log 1000. Log 1000 can be written as log 10 power 3, log 10 divided by log 10 cube, and 10 cube, log of 10 cube can be written as 3 into log 10. Log 10 divided, so I would have log 10 divided by 3 into log 10. If I cancel out log 10, I would have the final answer as 1 by 3.